Hi you guys and welcome to my channel. Hi, this is Neha and I make videos regarding home remedies, DIYs, makeup, skincare and all that jazz. So if you're seeing me for the first time, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and hit the bell button so that you get notified whenever there's a new video. Okay, so today, as you've read in the title, I'm going to talk to you guys about a very effective home remedy that you can whip up in your house very easily using only 3 ingredients to reduce your suntan. Yes, we all have that tanning issue, especially we being Indians are always prone to tanning. I think everybody's prone to tanning. But the thing is that we live in a tropical country and the sun is super duper duper scorching hot here, and yeah, our skins do get tanned very soon, even with SPF. I know we all wear SPF, right? I mean, I hope you do. But even with sunscreen, sometimes it's not enough and you do to some extent get tanned. Okay, so today I'm going to show you guys a very super effective remedy which I whip at home. I love this has been working for me, and once I discovered this remedy, there was no going back, you guys. It's my favorite remedy and it's only 3 ingredients, super affordable. It's something you can find in your kitchen, and there's one ingredient that is one of my favorite ingredients and it's super affordable. You can buy it and I'll leave the link down below. So are you ready for it? Yeah. So let's do this. So the first ingredient I'm going to talk to you guys about is, any guesses? It's tomatoes. Yes. Tomatoes, as we all know, is super effective in skin lightening, removing of tan. It shrink pores, it brightens your skin, it removes your tan super effectively, and it's amazing, you guys. It has a antioxidant property which will help you remove the dead cells, it will help you shrink your pores, it will take care of your blemish marks, dark spots, pigmentation. Yeah, this small little dude can do a lot of things, you guys. So these are the benefits of tomatoes. It shrinks open pores, it acts like a sunscreen, it treats acne, it's high in antioxidant, it is oil control, it removes dark spots, it gives you that glowing skin, it also removes blackheads. Yeah, I mean, ingredient number 2 is lemons. Yeah, we all know how lemon is used everywhere. We all love lemons. I mean, I do. And it has that bleaching property. It is packed with vitamin C. It is packed with antioxidants again, so it will help you bleach your skin. Bleach the skin, but not in a bad way, if you know what I mean. So you have to be mindful when you use lemon. Like, don't use too much. It can dry your skin out. So you have to use like 2-3 drops. I'll show you. So you have to be mindful when you use lemon, but if you use it in the right quantity, it just does magic to your skin. So the third ingredient, which I absolutely love, when I discovered this particular ingredient, I was like blown away by the brightening effect that it gives in your skin. It just removes tan instantly. It does. Trust me, I have used it. Okay, let's just get to it. You wanna know what that is? It is leucorice powder. Yes, it's also known as mulethi powder. So leucorice or mulethi powder is very effective in removing suntan. It just brightens your skin. Even if you don't have a tan, the dead cells and everything that sits on your skin, and that will tend to make your skin look dull over time, so it removes even that. So it acts like an exfoliant, it acts like a tan removing thing. It also has like UV protection properties that, like, it will not only remove your tan, it will also help you protect your skin from the harmful rays of the sun even further. So it will help you prevent getting the tan, if you know what I mean, right? Like, I'm using this one from Jane. It's called Yashti Madhu powder. So yeah, I've got this from Amazon. I absolutely love it. You can use any licorice powder. There's so many available nowadays. Good Vibes has one, and I think Abs Goodness has licorice powder, so you can try that. I will leave a link of this. I bought this from Amazon. It costed me around 150 rupees. Around, I don't remember the cost. Just check it out. I'll leave the link, okay? Now, licorice powder helps in brightening the skin. It fades blemishes. It heals different skin conditions. It has antioxidant properties, which is again amazing for the skin, and protection against sun-induced skin damage. It also has hair care property, but that's not what we are going to talk about today. That's for some other video, but guys, get this, you won't regret it. So those were the 3 amazing magical ingredients which I'm gonna use and show you guys on my face how I make the pack and how I use it and the result after it. So let's just get to that. Firstly, you would need a tomato of medium size. Actually, I need just half of it, and a quarter of a lemon, and of course licorice powder. Then I'm going to take some tomato juice and add 2 teaspoons of licorice powder to it, and add few drops of lemon, and just make sure it's just few drops, you don't need much. That's it. And you gotta mix, make sure you mix well and there are no lumps, and this sort of consistency is what you want. Not too thick, not too runny, otherwise it's gonna fall off your face, right? And yeah, make sure your face is clean and we're ready to apply it. So I'm using a brusher. You can actually apply it with your hands or whatever. Just make sure you have something like a cloth, a newspaper lying below wherever you're putting, otherwise it's going to fall off, so it gets really messy. So just be careful of that. And yeah, I'm applying a thick layer. Make sure it's thick and even, and apply it throughout your face. And you can also apply it in your arms, elbows, like wherever you got tan, right? You can actually apply this any part of your body that has got a tan, or like even on rough skins. Like it works amazingly on elbows and knees. Now keep this on for at least 15 to 30 minutes, or till the time you feel the dryness, because this is a little bit drying. So after 15 minutes I'm gonna splash water and scrub it off, literally. So it's like a mask cum scrub. So that's gonna give you very good results. You will see. I'll be back in 20 minutes. So 15 to 20 minutes is what you want. Yeah, so after 15 minutes you can see it has almost dried, and this is when I'm going to add some toner. This is the Good Vibes rice toner. You can actually add just some water, that'll be okay. I just like adding this toner, and I'll just start scrubbing my face very gently. The thing is that scrubbing this mask will actually help you to remove that upper layer of your skin. Just be gentle with your skin, and that's obviously going to remove your tan. So just scrub, and yeah, after washing your face, this is the result you will get. I can see my face is so much more brighter, and even on my hands and everything, it's so not only bright, it's just smoother. So you might just feel a little drying after the mask, so I'm just gonna add a hydrating toner. This is the Kama Ayurveda rose water and a moisturizer. That'll do the job, and you can see how supple and juicy my skin is looking right now. Guys, try it. I promise you guys won't regret it. So that was the remedy, and I hope you guys liked it. Please try it out at home and let me know, give your feedbacks, let me know in the comment section below. You can also message me on Instagram. I'll just leave the link down below. Please follow me on Instagram and subscribe this channel, and if you like this remedy, hit that like button so that I know you liked it. And yeah, that'll mean a lot. Until then, take care. See you guys in my next video. Bye.